Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best cycling shoes to help you find the perfect pair for your rides whether you're hitting the road or cycling indoors. We'll cover everything you need to know, including the pros and cons of each pair. So let's jump right into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Fizik cycling shoes. Fizik cycling shoes are a top choice for road cyclists, offering a combination of performance, comfort, and durability. With features like an asymmetrical design that conforms to the foot, a durable yet comfortable upper, and a balanced outsole for efficient pedaling, these shoes aim to enhance your riding experience. Let's take a closer look at their key features, as well as the pros and cons of using them. Pros: ergonomic fit. The overcurve asymmetrical design is highly appreciated for its ability to conform to the anatomy of the foot, reducing pressure points and providing a more personalized fit. Durability and comfort. The Microtel upper strikes a great balance between strength and flexibility. It is durable enough to handle long rides in rough conditions, while remaining comfortable for hours of cycling. The supple nature of the material allows it to conform to different foot shapes, offering consistent comfort. Efficient pedaling. The R5 nylon composite outsole is designed for optimal power transfer. It provides the necessary stiffness for pedaling efficiency, helping riders push more power to the pedals with less energy loss, all while offering some flex for comfort during long rides. Versatility. The Tempo Series versatility makes these shoes suitable for various road conditions, from smooth asphalt to cobblestones. They are designed to perform well in a range of scenarios, making them ideal for cyclists who ride different terrains. Road-specific design. As these shoes are engineered specifically for road cycling, they focus on the needs of road cyclists, delivering top-notch performance on paved surfaces, whether during competitive racing or casual rides. Cons. Nylon outsole stiffness. Although the R5 nylon composite outsole offers a good balance between stiffness and flexibility, riders who prioritize maximum power transfer might find it slightly less rigid compared to carbon fiber outsoles typically found in high-end racing shoes. Fizik cycling shoes are a solid choice for road cyclists looking for comfort, durability, and efficiency. The ergonomic fit, durable Microtel upper, and versatile R5 nylon composite outsole make them suitable for long rides on various road conditions. Coming in at number 4, we have the Giro cycling shoes. Giro is a trusted name in the world of cycling, and their cycling shoes, including the Giro stylus, reflect their commitment to performance, comfort, and durability. These shoes are designed with high-quality materials, offering riders solid structural support, versatility, and the power needed for efficient pedaling. Let's break down the key features of Giro cycling shoes and assess the pros and cons. Pros: superior fit and comfort. The single-piece sync-wire upper conforms snugly to the foot, offering both support and comfort. Its lightweight and breathable nature helps reduce foot fatigue and overheating, making it ideal for long rides in various weather conditions. Excellent ventilation. Thanks to the cinch-wire upper, the shoes are well ventilated, allowing for better airflow, which is especially beneficial during hot rides or intense training sessions. Efficient power transfer. The injection molded nylon and glass fiber outsole strikes a great balance between stiffness and comfort. It ensures good power transfer during pedaling while maintaining enough flexibility for longer rides where comfort is key. Cleat versatility. The universal 3/2 cleat bolt pattern allows for compatibility with both 2-bolt mountain bike and 3-bolt road bike cleats, making the Giro shoes versatile and ideal for cyclists who use different pedal systems. Reliable closure system. The 3 compression molded hook and loop straps provide a secure fit and allow for quick adjustments. Velcro straps are tried and true in cycling shoes and offer simplicity and reliability. Durability with overmolded heel and toe pads. The Giro stylus shoes offer extra durability in areas that endure the most wear and tear. This extends the shoe's lifespan, making them a good long-term investment. Cons. Velcro straps may lack precision. Although the Velcro straps are simple and reliable, they may not offer the same level of precise fit adjustments as more advanced closure systems, like bow dials or ratcheting buckles. Some cyclists may prefer those for a more customized fit. Giro cycling shoes, particularly the stylus model, offer a great combination of comfort, durability, and performance for road cyclists. The cinch-wire upper provides a snug, breathable fit, while the nylon and glass fiber outsole ensures efficient power transfer. The universal cleat pattern makes these shoes versatile for various cycling disciplines, and the Velcro straps provide reliable and straightforward adjustments. At number 3, the Viko Viren cycling shoes. Cycling enthusiasts looking for a practical and comfortable solution often turn to Viko Viren cycling shoes. These shoes are designed to cater to both men and women, providing a comprehensive set that includes not just the shoes, but also compatible cleats and essential accessories. With their focus on comfort, breathability, and versatility, Viko Viren cycling shoes are making waves in the cycling community. Here's an in-depth look at their features, along with the pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive package. The inclusion of Delta cleats, screws, and an Allen key in the purchase provides excellent value and convenience, saving users from having to buy additional accessories. Versatile compatibility. With compatibility for multiple cleat systems, these shoes cater to a wide audience, whether for peloton, road biking, or indoor cycling, making them an excellent choice for various cycling activities. Breathable design. The breathable upper and moisture-wicking lining contribute to overall comfort, keeping feet cool and dry even during extended workouts or rides. Efficient power transfer. The stiff nylon outsole is designed to maximize power transfer to the pedals, which can enhance performance during cycling sessions and help maintain energy for longer rides. User-friendly design. The hook and loop strap allows for quick adjustments, making it easy for cyclists to put on and remove their shoes, which is particularly beneficial for indoor cycling or spin classes. Wider fit option. The wider design accommodates both regular and wide feet, making these shoes accessible for a broader audience, reducing discomfort during rides. Cons: slightly bulky design. Some users may find the wider fit and design to be a bit bulkier compared to more streamlined options on the market, potentially impacting aerodynamics for serious racers. Viko Viren cycling shoes offer a compelling option for cyclists looking for a comfortable, versatile, and affordable solution. With their comprehensive package that includes cleats and accessories, these shoes are perfect for indoor cycling, spin classes, and road riding. The combination of breathability, efficient power transfer, and user-friendly design makes them a strong contender in the cycling shoe market. In the second spot, we have the Shimano SH-RP101 cycling shoes. Cycling enthusiasts know the importance of having the right footwear to enhance their performance on the bike. The Shimano SH-RP101 cycling shoes are designed with versatility in mind, suitable for both road cycling and indoor workouts. With a range of features that cater to different cycling styles, the SH-RP101 aims to deliver comfort and efficiency on every ride. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of these cycling shoes. Pros: versatile use. The dual-purpose design for both road and indoor cycling makes these shoes a great investment for cyclists who participate in various cycling activities. Cleat compatibility. The adaptable 5-hole outsole allows for compatibility with both SPD and SPD-SL cleats, making it easy for riders to switch setups without needing additional shoes. Effective power transfer. The fiberglass reinforced sole enhances power transfer, which can significantly improve performance during rides, allowing for more efficient pedaling and better overall energy management. Durable and reliable. The combination of synthetic leather and mesh provides both durability and breathability, ensuring that the shoes hold up well over time while keeping feet comfortable. Comfortable fit. The shoe's construction and materials contribute to a comfortable fit, accommodating various foot shapes and sizes while providing adequate support during rides. Cons: and narrow fit. While designed to accommodate a range of foot shapes, some users with wider feet may find the fit to be a bit narrow, potentially leading to discomfort during longer rides. The Shimano SH-RP101 cycling shoes offer a well-rounded option for cyclists seeking versatility and performance. With features that cater to both road and indoor cycling, these shoes provide an excellent balance of power transfer, durability, and comfort. While they may lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, their adaptability and solid construction make them a strong choice for both recreational and serious cyclists. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tiem Slipstream cycling shoes. When it comes to cycling shoes, comfort, style, and functionality are key factors that enthusiasts look for. The Tiem Slipstream cycling shoes aim to deliver on all fronts, blending performance features with a sporty aesthetic that makes them suitable for both workouts and casual wear. Designed with the modern cyclist in mind, the Slipstream offers a host of benefits along with a few considerations. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of Tiem Slipstream cycling shoes. Pros: sporty design. The Tiem Slipstream shoes are designed to amp up your sporty look while providing the functionality needed for cycling workouts. They bring an element of style to your fitness routine. SPD cleat compatibility. These shoes are compatible with SPD cleats sold separately, allowing for easy clipping into most studio and at-home bikes. This feature enhances versatility, making them suitable for various cycling setups. Comfortable construction. The recessed design of the SPD cleat allows for comfort both on and off the bike. This means you can walk around easily without feeling restricted by your cycling shoes. Slip-on style. The slip-on construction with an adjustable single-strap closure offers convenience and a personalized fit. This design eliminates the hassle of traditional laces while still ensuring a secure fit. Breathable mesh toe box. The round toe design features a breathable mesh toe box, promoting airflow and helping keep your feet cool during intense workouts. Cons: durability concerns. The focus on style and comfort might come at the expense of durability, especially in high-stress areas, which could be a concern for cyclists who ride frequently. The Tiem Slipstream cycling shoes offer a stylish and comfortable option for cyclists who value both performance and aesthetics. With their breathable design, slip-on convenience, and compatibility with SPD cleats, these shoes cater to a wide audience, from casual cyclists to dedicated indoor riders.